Having a broadcast channel on Instagram is a powerful strategy for content creators and brands looking to expand their online presence and engage their audience more authentically. After all, this tool allows the use of various formats already known on the platform to share exclusive information with followers, from news to behind the scenes of important events. Therefore, in this guide, we'll explore step by step how to start your own Instagram broadcast channel, from initial setup to best practices to maximizing the reach and impact of your messages. The Instagram broadcast channel is a tool designed to facilitate communication between profiles and their followers, providing content creators the opportunity to increase engagement and achieve better results with the network. Thus, these channels are a direct and effective way for creators to keep their followers always informed, whether through texts, images, videos, and video notes to present the latest news behind the scenes, or conduct polls to receive feedback from fans. Moreover, it is possible to invite collaborators to your broadcasts and send questions to followers, which encourages interactivity with the audience. In other words, as Instagram itself describes, broadcast channels are a direct line of communication with the audience and consequently an efficient way to create a stronger community with social media. Creating a broadcast channel is very simple and quick. Here are the steps. Access the app and go to the direct messages area in the top right corner of the page. Click the button to write a new message and then select the option Create Broadcast Channel. In the following tab, you'll need to edit the channel information such as name, which audience can access the content, anyone, followers only or subscribers only, and whether to show or not the channel link to your profile. Finally, click the Create button to complete the action. Once done, just send a message on the channel so that followers receive a notification with an invitation to join and closely follow the novelties you share there. Instagram broadcast channels can serve various functions in your digital marketing strategy. In fact, a content creator can have more than one channel to communicate with different audiences. Additionally, it is possible to share videos and voice notes simply with exclusive content for the audience, invite collaborators so they can send messages and enrich the followers' experience even more, use interactive features such as question cards and polls to get feedback from the audience. However, it is important to highlight that for your channel to be successful, it must be promoted. Therefore, Instagram encourages the sharing of broadcast list links in stories or on the profile, keeping them pinned along with other information. To create a broadcast channel and access interactive features, Instagram requires the account to be professional and designated as content creator. There's no minimum numbers of followers, but the profile must comply with the platform's guideline. In addition to being restricted to content creator accounts, not valid for personal or business profiles, broadcast channels aren't available in cases of profiles set to private. Only public accounts can access the tool. Profiles that are considered inactive, that is, not regularly engaging in activities on the platform such as posting and engaging with other users, in case of an outdated app. Therefore, if you want to create the channel and can't, it's advisable to check if the app is updated and if the profile really meets the criteria. Broadcast channels can also be closed whenever you want. Just access the channel settings and select the option of End.